Yesterday, we talked about when to stand firm and when to step back. Today, we talk about something that makes stepping back even possible, and that's building a leadership pipeline. Welcome back to the Rest Stop, and today I want to talk directly to the people who always step up. The ones who carry the groceries, run the concession stand, haul the props, handle the money, solve the drama, and stabilize the room. But here's the truth. If you don't bring others with you, your program will never be sustainable. Great programs aren't built on superheroes, they're built on systems plus people and replacements. Every booster organization and every arts program has 5 or 6 people who make everything work. And you know exactly who you are. But here's the danger. When the same small group does everything, they burn out. They get frustrated. Other people stop volunteering, and the entire culture collapses the moment they step away. A healthy culture can't be carried. It has to be shared. A pipeline isn't about replacing yourself tomorrow. It's about making sure the program survives next year and 5 years from now. And here's the key. People don't become leaders because you ask them to do big things. They become leaders because you ask them to do small things with purpose. Leadership doesn't start at the board table. It starts with, can you run this check-in table? Can you join the fundraising team? Will you help us plan the banquet? Would you like to shadow me at the next meeting? You see, people grow when they're invited. They stay when they feel needed. And they lead when they feel trusted. So here's today's rebuild challenge. Pick one person and hand them one responsibility you've been carrying alone. Not your biggest job. Not the task that takes 20 hours. Just one piece of the load. Then let them actually own it. Not hover, not micromanage, not fix it later. Just trust them. Coach if needed. And celebrate the win loudly. That is how a pipeline starts. I see you. The one who keeps saying, it's fine, I'll do it. You say it because it's faster. You say it because you care. You say it because you don't want to burden anyone else. But hear this. If everything depends on you, your program is one life change, one illness, one job shift, or one graduation away from falling apart. You deserve help. Your program deserves stability. Your students deserve continuity, and your community deserves a leadership team, not a leadership hostage. It's not noble to do everything. It's actually dangerous. Building a pipeline is one of the most loving things that you can do. Because someday, and it happens to all of us, you're going to step back. And when that day comes, the best gift you can give your kids, your director, and your program is a culture where leadership doesn't leave with you. That's legacy, and legacy is built one handoff at a time. So today, carry this. If you leave and everything falls apart, you didn't lead, you carried. Great leaders build pipelines. They multiply themselves. They leave behind people who are confident, capable, and ready. And tomorrow we're going to close week 3 with heart. Hope is a leadership strategy. A reminder that leadership isn't just structure and systems. It's believing in a future worth building. But today, give someone else a chance to shine. Because we're rebuilding culture, one morning, one handoff, and one rest stop at a time.